Hello, welcome back. We're going to look at Chapter 15, Learning Outcome 2, Computing the Monthly Payment for Principal and Interest, and using that amortization chart to find that. And we're going to be looking at mortgage principal and interest per $1,000. So let's take a look at this and see how we find our principal, how we find our payment per 1,000, and we find out what our monthly mortgage payment is. So, and we'll use that table to do that. So let's take a look at a drill problem from your homework. And we know that the selling price of the home is $190,000. So we know that we want to know what the principal is. So to figure out the principal, what we would do is we would take the principal of our, or the selling price of our home, and then our down payment. Okay. Usually they'll tell you a certain percentage. You just have to find out what percentage that is. All right. So we're going to take 190,000 and we're going to subtract 50,000 from it. Okay? Because that's going to be our principal. We're going to borrow $140,000. And that's what we put in here. Okay? Now we need to know, well, what is our payment per $1,000 for a loan of 35 years? Okay? So we're going to look at this term, right? So for 35 years at 7%. Okay, so we're going to go down here and we're going to see that, okay, 35 at this is, right, our payment per 1,000 is $639. Okay. And since there are 160 1,000 payments, right? 100, or excuse me, not 160. There are 140 1,000 payments, right? 140,000. We're going to figure out what is our monthly mortgage. So since we're going to be making 140 of those payments, or excuse me, payments on the 140, we're going to multiply 140 times 6.39. And this is going to come out to $894.60. Right? And that's going to be our answer right here. Okay? And that is how you use the amortization table to figure out what your payment or what your monthly mortgage payment would be by figuring out your principal and then what your payment per 1,000 of that principal is, right? Be sure to look and get the correct amount of time and make sure that you're using the correct amount of interest. All right. Okay, until next time.